You know what I'm hungry for? I would love to have some homemade biscuits, but if I could only make them like that. Oh, well that was easy.
Set oven to 425 degrees.
We're going to start with 2 cups of flour in a medium-sized bowl.
Then let's add 1 tablespoon of baking powder,
A teaspoon of salt, and then we mix that together.
Hey, we don't even need this extra bowl.
We're going to use 3/4 cup of water. For my 1/4 cup oil, I just top that off in the very same cup. We don't have to waste dirtying another bowl. Now we get over top of the bowl, and then we're going to just stir that together somewhat. And now we just stir this together until the flour is moistened. We don't want to overmix it, but we don't want to have a bunch of loose flour hanging around. That's all we need to do. How's that for easy?
Instead of rolling the dough out and cutting them, we're just going to take a spoon and drop that dough right onto a cookie sheet. And that's why we call them drop biscuits.
As you can see, you don't have to worry about being exact. Now it's ready to put in the oven. The oven's preheated to 425 degrees. Set our timer for 15 minutes. They're really not all that brown yet. I think another 5 minutes ought to do it. I'm going to cut one open. Them taste really good. These will work great with just butter on them, or jam, or some gravy. This is actually ground turkey gravy. I can show you that another time. This is Lena Shea and Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching.
If you'd like to see more of my videos, go to youtube.com/@IowaMom. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.